Mastering synonyms and antonyms, using context clues. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode in our Advanced Vocabulary series. Today, we are focusing on tests on using context clues to determine synonyms and antonyms. We will explore the practical skills to better understand and interpret words in context, identifying their synonyms and antonyms. Remember, context clues are a reader's best friend, and they are key to boosting your vocabulary comprehension. Context clues are hints or cues that a writer gives to help the reader understand the meaning of a word or phrase. They can be in the form of definitions, examples, synonyms, antonyms, or the general context of the sentence. For example, in the sentence, "The ephemeral beauty of a sunset is awe-inspiring." Even if you don't know the meaning of ephemeral, you can understand it's something fleeting or short-lived from the context. A synonym is a word or phrase that means exactly or nearly the same as another word or phrase. For example, happy and joyful. Identifying synonyms through context clues can be done by looking for words or phrases in the sentence that share the same or similar meaning. Let's look at a sample sentence. She was elated, really happy, after hearing the good news. Here, the context clue tells us that elated is a synonym of happy. On the flip side, an antonym is a word with a meaning that is opposite to that of another word. For example, happy and sad. Context clues can help us identify antonyms as well. For instance, consider the sentence, "Unlike his boisterous brother, James was always calm and composed." In this case, the use of unlike sets up an opposition, and we can infer that boisterous is an antonym of calm. Now that we've covered the basics of using context clues to find synonyms and antonyms, it's time for a little practice. Always remember, the key to mastering any new skill is practice. Here are some practice sentences. 1. John is always punctual, never late for any appointments. 2. Jane is frugal. She never wastes anything, unlike her prodigal brother. Try to identify the synonyms and antonyms using context clues in these sentences. And that wraps up our lesson for today on using context clues to determine synonyms and antonyms. I hope you found this helpful and enlightening. Remember, using context clues to determine the meaning of unfamiliar words is an essential skill for any English language learner. Keep practicing and don't forget to make use of these strategies when you read or listen to English. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your vocabulary.